Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are on the Deuce in Las Vegas, heading towards the Excalibur, an MGM property that just opened up a day or two ago after the long closure for COVID. Some people refer to the Excalibur as that castle place on the Las Vegas Strip, and it's supposed to look like a castle because it's got a medieval theme, and it does it very well, as a matter of fact. The Excalibur is one of MGM Properties' least expensive properties here in Vegas now that they sold the Circus Circus. So let's step inside and check out what's going on here at the Excalibur just a couple days after reopening, shall we? It's funny how some hotels along the strip here are right on the sidewalk, like the MGM Grand and a few others. Actually, most of them are. But there are a few that are pushed way back from the strip and are quite a walk, like the Bellagio's, known for being quite far from the actual strip. But it's a beautiful walk to the building, I have to say that. The Excalibur is deceiving in that it seems like the building's right up against the sidewalk, but it's quite a walk to get into this building. But then this city is all about deception, isn't it? Like I said earlier, the theming around here is medieval, and the hotel and casino pull it off really well. You really do feel like you're in a castle here, going way back. And I have to say, it's much cleaner than it usually is, and it should be, because it's been closed for a couple of months. But this place is looking pretty good so far. This is the check-in area, or the registration area here at the Excalibur. And of course, I'm not even in the building for a minute, and security is approaching me because of the camera. I'm not even near the casino. Something smells delicious and reasonably priced. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Coming up, we have a video poker bar, which was open when I was here, but since then, they've all been closed. As a matter of fact, all bars have been closed in Vegas, unless they serve food. And no, peanuts and pretzels don't count as food. The local authorities got wise to that pretty quickly. On the left is the Excalibur Sportsbook. And wait a minute, stop video. I mean, I know I harp on this a lot, and probably much more than I should, but do you see what I'm talking about when I bring up casino rugs? This is just a perfect example of going out, finding the ugliest rugs in the world, and just laying them out haphazardly so people get nauseous and dizzy as they walk through the building. But I digress, so let's move along. This place is really quiet, and if I remember correctly, I visited the Excalibur the day it opened after being shut down for several months, so that could explain why it's really, really quiet. I'm going back in a couple days. It's going to be interesting to see, now that regulations and safety restrictions are even tougher, if these places are busier or quieter when I visited them the last time. Or perhaps it's the rugs keeping people away. Too much? Okay, I'll stop. Some of the places to eat here at the Excalibur are Johnny Rockets, hello, Dick's Last Resort, Buca de Beppo, there's a Baja Fresh, a Drenched Bar and Grill. They have a buffet here. There's the Camelot Steakhouse, Vagabond Drink, Play, and Eat. Lots of places and a lot of quick bites too. There's also a food court here. This walkway is right in front of Dick's Last Resort's restaurant, a very popular place here, not only in the Excalibur, but along the strip. And normally this walkway would be loaded with people. I could do a round of bowling right now and no one would notice. Except, of course, security if I was filming it. And speaking of which, if I ever get thrown into a Vegas jail for recording inside of a casino, I expect all of you to chip in and bail me out. Come on, New Yorkers, that's the least you can do. The Excalibur has lots of shops, including 24/7, Below the Knee, City Life, Cosmic Groove, Cybeware, Dragon's Lair, Essentials, Kids Cottage, Lick, Lids, Magnet Max, Marshall Rousseau, Pearl Factory, the Soap Store, Tattoo Corner, the Market, the Welcome to Las Vegas shop. Lots of places to go shopping in this place. And we're heading towards the food court area, and as you'll see as we turn the corner, most of the food court is closed. I'm sure most of it's open as of now, though. As far as entertainment here at the Excalibur, most of the hotels and casinos in Vegas are not doing any shows right now, but hopefully they'll be coming back soon. Some of the long-running shows at the Excalibur include the Australian Bee Gees show. There's also the Thunder from Down Under, an all-male Australian review for the ladies, or the gentlemen if you're so inclined. Seems to be an Australian thing going on in this hotel and casino. There's also the Fun Dragon, which is a huge arcade downstairs. We're going to visit that before we leave today. And the Tournament of Kings, which is a big medieval dinner show. I feel like I'm the only one in here. I could be mugged right now and no one would even know. But I have my camera, so all I have to do is flash that and I'll have security right on top of me. Ooh, there's some people. Hey! I'm Jeff from New York. Who are you guys? Hello, I'm talking to you. How rude. So on the right, we're passing the Thunder Lounge. On the left is Thunderland, where the show Thunder from Down Under is, or was, I should say. Or perhaps will be. Who knows? So let's head on downstairs to the Fun Dungeon, shall we? Okay, so if you're coming to Vegas with kids and the entire family and you need a place close to the Strip, there's two places you can stay. The Excalibur and the Circus Circus. Both will be friendly to kids. Perhaps that's why MGM dropped Circus Circus and sold it recently, because these two hotels are very similar, but then again they're not. The Excalibur is located at a dynamite intersection here on the Strip with the Tropicana, New York, and MGM Grand all at the same intersection as the Excalibur. So there's lots of stuff for adults to do around here as well. The Circus Circus has the Midway Arcade, which is a huge circus-like type of arcade. They also have that huge Adventure Dome out back. It's a enclosed, climate-controlled amusement park with thrill rides, something that this hotel obviously doesn't have. But if I was coming to Vegas with family and kids, I would definitely stay at the Excalibur. It's in a better, safer location than the Circus Circus. There's so much more to do here. It's cleaner, the better shops, better restaurants, and they have this huge arcade, or the Fun Dungeon as they call it, downstairs. Perhaps that's why MGM recently sold the Circus Circus. These two hotels are similar, but this one's better. And that's it, folks, as far as the Excalibur Hotel and Casino is concerned. Have you ever stayed here? Did you enjoy it? Leave a comment below. Do you think you'd come here looking at the video? Let us know. Coming up next on the New York channel. Greetings from Asbury Park, everyone. That's right, we're heading back to the Jersey Shore. We're going to visit Asbury Park. Asbury's been run down for decades, but this past decade, it seems to be making a comeback. They've been talking about a comeback for a while, but it does seem like it's happening now. There's lots of new construction with multi-million-dollar condos. There's lots of new shopping, new restaurants, lots more traffic down here now. People are coming down here to visit, walk the boardwalk, and a lot of history here as well. Most notably, there's a story about a little guy from Freehold who became a huge worldwide sensation. He got his start right here in Asbury Park, put this club and this city on the map.
Thanks for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
All right, say it again together.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Thanks for watching. One more time, sorry.
And a little louder.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you for watching the New York channel. Please subscribe.
I told Ginger and Marianne that they should take a break, a vacation from Vegas, either the West Coast or the East Coast, go to a beach maybe. While they're gone, I'm going to be checking out some other Vegas street acts and showgirls, and they'll be showing up on closing clips on my future videos, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.